ready to ditch the drab and transform your PowerPoint slides into stunning visual masterpieces. In this super quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add a background image to your PowerPoint slides, making them instantly more engaging. First, open up your PowerPoint presentation and select the slide you want to jazz up. Then, go to the Design tab at the top of your screen. Look all the way to the right of the ribbon, and you'll see Format Background. Click on that. This will open the Format Background pane on the right side of your screen. In the Format Background pane, you'll see several fill options. Choose Picture or Texture Fill by clicking the radio button next to it. Now, under the Insert Picture From section, click the Insert button. A window will pop up, allowing you to choose your background image. You can choose an image from a file on your computer, from online sources, or even from icons. Select the image you want and click Insert. Voila! Your slide now has a background image, but maybe it needs a little tweaking. In the Format Background pane, you can adjust the transparency of the image using the transparency slider to ensure your text is still readable. You can also experiment with other options, like tiling the image. If it's small, just check the Tile Picture as Texture box. If you want to use the same background image for all your slides, simply click the Apply to All button at the bottom of the Format Background pane. And that's it. You've successfully added a background image to your PowerPoint slides. Now go create some eye-catching presentations.